What is Reiki? Well, Reiki is a system of healing that actually came to us through Japan. It was developed in the late early 1900s by a man named Dr. Usui Mikao. He was actually a gifted martial artist and swordsman, and he grew up in a monastery since he was 3 years of age. He was very well versed in practices such as Tai Chi, Qigong. Although he was brought up Buddhist, he was well versed in all religions and philosophies. And he wanted to develop a system of healing or a system of relaxation that anybody could learn and that anyone could benefit from. So Reiki, by definition, is a Japanese relaxation technique that can bring about feelings of peace, of healing, and joy. In the United States, most people are familiar with Reiki as a hands-on energy healing technique. And although that is part of the healing system, it's only a small part of it. No, Reiki is not a religion. Although it was developed by a Buddhist and does have many of the Buddhist principles integrated within the system, the practice of Reiki does not require you in any way to subscribe to any one particular religion. It is universal in nature. Its beliefs span all religious faiths. It's more of a way of being. It's more of a healing practice, a philosophy, rather than a religion. Who can benefit from Reiki? Anyone can benefit from the practice of or the receiving of a Reiki treatment. The practice of Reiki is based on the principle that energy flows through all living things in the universe. And when that energy is not flowing as smoothly as it could, we don't feel well. Whether we don't feel well physically, emotionally, or even spiritually depends on how long the energy flow has been obstructed or where the energy flow is obstructed. So when you go to a Reiki practitioner to receive a Reiki treatment, he or she will have you lie on a massage table, and they will place their hands on or slightly above your body and channel energy into your energy field or your body. And the idea is that any energy flow that is not smooth or is obstructed in any way, the practitioner will work to unblock that energy flow. There's really nothing that Reiki can't help you with, whether it's a physical discomfort, it's a feeling of sadness, or a feeling of grief or despair, or even if you're just feeling disconnected from joy or happiness. Reiki can help all those things. There's nothing that Reiki could never hurt you. People that come to see me for treatments often come because they're suffering from any type of chronic illness, cancer, arthritis, fibromyalgia, high blood pressure, heart disease. And then of course there's clients who come because they have depression or anxiety. And then there's others who just come because they're curious as to what it's all about. And the beautiful thing about Reiki is that it can never be used for harm. It can never hurt you. There are many hospitals and institutions around the world that are now integrating Reiki as part of the care that is available to patients and clients. The wonderful thing about this system is that anyone can learn how to do it. I have taught people as young as 6 and as old as 86 how to bring more peace into their own lives and also bring peace into others as well. It does require some study. You do need to attend classes, or what we call levels of certification. And in order to receive what we call Master Teacher certification, takes about a year to a year and a half of study and practice. And once you achieve that level, you are certified to provide Reiki treatments for others. However, most people continue their study well beyond Master Teacher level and actually incorporate Reiki as a study for the rest of their lives. Reiki can be seen as controversial by those who don't understand it, who think that it is in some way conjuring up some other deities or gods that they wouldn't be comfortable with. And I can assure you that that's not the case. Reiki simply teaches you how to connect more deeply with the energy of life that is currently already flowing through you and around you. But the practice of Reiki, through the techniques, meditations, exercises that you learn, you actually learn very simple ways of bringing more of that energy into your body. And this can bring about a deep sense of peace and relaxation.